I'm going to attempt to do like a talking tutorial, which I never really do. I am wearing a mini bobo, which I also never do. First time for everything. I normally just do our no slip headbands because I do half wraps, but I'm gonna attempt to use New York Brights scarf and make a little bit more of like a voluminous half wrap. So yeah, we're gonna attempt. Let's see how this goes. Literally my first time using some sort of shaper on my own head. I have like a hair elastic ponytail situation. A little bit about me. The New York Brights was my favorite and still is one of my favorite scarves when I started working at Wrapunzel. So yeah, love it. We actually just restocked most of our colors, and we actually brought in some new colors, so that's exciting. This is gonna be like a half wrap, but like maybe a veil vibe. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm literally just kind of going with what my hands take me to do. So let's just see how this goes. Yeah, I kind of feel like this would be cute, just like right over, and then like my hair would come out. Let me see what it looks like. I have no idea what it looks like. Wants to get my hair out. This is kind of cute. Let's like, I like that the New York Brights kind of like sticks to itself, like, 'cause it's so grippy. It's like one of our really grippy scarves, honestly, and it's just like so cute. I feel like this is more of like a bandana vibe, and I kind of like it. I don't know what the back looks like, so I'm gonna turn around, and like if it looks like garbage, then it looks like garbage, and we'll redo this. But I don't know. Is it giving bandana? Like, I'm gonna go look at the video now and see. But yeah, I like how it looks up here, and like a little bit of height. I don't know, it's kind of cute. All right,